In this video, we bring to you this amazing shipping container house in Puerto Rico. The project is built using 2 shipping containers. The containers are elevated off the ground and placed side by side to create an amazing shipping container house with over 640 square feet of habitable space. From the outside, you can see there's a big wraparound deck which also forms the main entrance to the house. When you get inside the house, you find a big open plan living space with a dining, a lounge, and a kitchen space in the middle. We have 2 bedroom spaces on the extreme ends of the house. This is a view of the lounge area, showing a big lounge seat, a floor mat, a wall-mounted TV, and there is an easy chair to complement the sitting arrangement, plus a big wall-to-wall elevation on the docking ends of the shipping container, fitted with full-height sliding glass windows. This is a closer view of the kitchen, showing a kitchen island, which also serves as the dining area of the house that can comfortably sit 4. This dining counter can also serve as a breakfast counter. In addition, it can also be used as a working space. This is a view of the main bedroom of the house. It is well appointed and is painted white through and through, except the feature painting around the headboard, which also has some open shelving for storage. The bedroom is also equipped with a dressing mirror plus a ceiling fan, in addition to the wall-mounted mini-split system to enhance indoor thermal comfort. This bedroom is just the right size and with the best furnishing. There's also additional storage and additional closet space, plus laundry basket for your linen, and also a basket theme for the storage drawers to give a bit of character to this closet space. That's a view of the other bedroom. It is fitted with a nice bed, which is given a beautiful setup to mimic pull-out sofa, and also a trundle to provide additional sleeping space when needed. The space is also well appointed with essential bedding facilities. There's a wall-mounted dressing mirror and also a high-level window for daylighting, plus a ceiling fan and a wall-mounted mini-split system to enhance indoor thermal comfort. That's a view of the main bathroom of the house. It's a beautiful bathroom space with luxury finishes. From outside, the house is given adequate outdoor living facilities. The wraparound deck is accessed from almost every space in the house and is given additional protection with overhead shading from direct solar radiation, and also given a bit of shading to enhance outdoor dining and outdoor living. There's also a bit of greenery around the building to enhance the landscaping and also to create a microclimate to make the space more enticing and inviting. So what do you like about this shipping container house? Give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. This amazing project is also listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. If you love shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.